Every time someone submits your Google Forms, do you still send emails manually? In this video, I will show you how to send automated emails on Google Form submission step by step with no coding. This setup is great for businesses, property managers, clinics, schools, and internal teams. Let's get right into it. Welcome back to Form Mailer. First off, you want to go to your Google Workspace Marketplace, type Form Mailer email notification and click on install. In my other video, I have a step-by-step installation process on how to get this done. Now, you want to navigate to Google Forms. Click on a new form or on an already made form. For this video, I already have one made. Now you want to add your essential fields in whatever business you might be, a school, a property management, a customer service team, etc. Just put in the essential fields you would want your clients or the businesses to take. Now you want to go to add-ons, click on Form Mailer, manage email notification, set in the name you want your team and also whoever is submitting the form to receive. For this video, we're just going to say Form Mailer. Now your email address is already automatically linked during your installation process. Navigate to email templates. You would want to create 2 emails from Form Mailer automatically that will be sent automatically. The first is your respondent mail. This is what your clients, your customers, whoever is filling the form receives. And all you have to do is create the email you want them to fill, and then for whatever fields in your form that you want attached to this mail, all you have to do is go to insert form fields, click on any of the form fields, and it will be inserted into your email. Save changes. Next, you want to go to your recipient. This is what your team or yourself sees whenever a form is being submitted. So all you have to do is follow the same process, fill in your email that for whatever you want your team or yourself to receive, and save changes. Now you want to navigate to recipient details. So this is yourself, your internal team, or any one of your recipients that you want to receive the mail to carry out either the next action or reach out directly. So I'm just going to show you how this is done. Can put in anyone from your company. And that's it. You can add as much email details as you'd prefer and save changes. Now let's run a quick test. Copy. We're just going to quickly fill out the form to test it ourselves. Submit. And that's it. Your internal team or yourself, anyone you want receiving the mail when a form is being submitted should automatically receive a mail. So we're just going to check here. Let's refresh, and there it is. So this would show you the details of what the person filling the mail filled in, and it will be delivered to any team members that you put in your recipient details. And your customer also receives a mail with the email you set up as well. And that is it. Let's go back to our form. With FormMailer, you receive 10 free emails every month, but you can upgrade this. All you have to do is go to add-ons, click on FormMailer, click on manage your account, and you get $3. You pay $3 per month for 15,000 emails monthly and 24-hour support. And with $30 per year, you get 15,000 emails monthly and 16% discount, 24 hours support. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, install FormMailer, and let us know the tutorial you'd love to see next. Thank you.